everybody. Welcome to this webinar, the reinsurance pricing and the cat exposure. In fact, we have actually thought of this webinar because of its importance, particularly at this time in the year, and with all the hassle that is taking place in the discussions between the direct insurance companies and the reinsurers. The idea of this webinar is that we try to bring together the insurance companies and the reinsurance companies, cat modelers and the reinsurance broker, all together around one table to understand what is going on, why the reinsurers would like to change their approach and their pricing, what is the cat models that are in practice or in use in our region, and how the cat exposure impacts our in bridging the gap and bringing everybody together in a win-win situation. I would like to welcome first my reputable speakers. Very honored. I'm very honored to have you here. I will introduce them in the order of their speeches. So I will start with, if you allow me, Mr. Mohammed Mahran. Mr. Mohammed Mahran is the Managing Director of Allianz Insurance Company in Egypt since 2012. And he also has assumed the position of Vice Chairman of Allianz Companies in Egypt in 2019. Mr. Mahran holds several high-profile roles across the array of Chairman of the Executive Council of the Property and Casualty at the Insurance Federation of Egypt, member of the High Advisory Committee to the Board of Directors at the Egyptian Financial Supervisory Authority. I apologize for what has happened. I lost actually the internet connection, and now we are using a different device, so I apologize for that. I don't know where we have stopped at the introduction of Mr. Mahran. I finished the introduction of Mr. Mahran that at the end of 2007, he was entrusted with the opening of AIG branch in Qatar, where he continued to hold several positions until 2010 before moving to Zurich Insurance Group in Bahrain and Kuwait as General Manager. Mr. Mahran holds a bachelor degree in commerce and a high postgraduate diploma in general insurance in Cairo from Cairo University, and he's a certified Takaful professional from the Academy for International Modern Studies, and he's also an associate underwriting AICPCU. So I will move next to Dr. Vladimir Stijkal, and apologize me if the pronunciation of the name is not very proper, but Dr. Vladimir, welcome and thank you for joining us. Dr. Vladimir is the head of Aon Analytics team in Prague. The team regional focus is Central and Eastern Europe, Nordic countries, Greece, Cyprus, and Middle East, and North Africa. The current team consists of 17 cat modelers and 16 actuaries, which shows how important this unit for Aon. Dr. Vladimir joined Aon in 2007 as a catastrophe modeler, focusing primarily on the development of earthquake risk models. In the early years of his career, he was dealing with the development of earthquake models for Bulgaria, Hungary, Romania, and former Yugoslavia. In 2010, he was appointed as head of the analytics team. His main focus is the team management and the catastrophe modeling for local as well as international companies in different regions, including Middle East and North Africa. Before joining Aon, Dr. Vladimir spent 4 years as a researcher in the Czech Academy of Sciences, and he holds a PhD from the Charles University in Prague. Welcome, Dr. Vladimir. Our next reputable speaker, Mr. Nader Anesi. Mr. Nader has over 13 years of experience in the reinsurance market. Prior to joining the team, business development in international business from the New York Institute of Technology and is an associate of the Chartered Insurance Institute, ACI, in the UK. Team in Oman Re. Welcome, Mr. Nader. Last beast, Mr. Mohammed Al Marhoon. Mr. Mohammed Al Marhoon is the managing director of Aon Reinsurance Solutions in Saudi Arabia. He currently serves as the Goodwill Ambassador for the Chartered Insurance Institute, where he plays a crucial role in assisting the CII within the region. He previously worked in various underwriting and management positions in Chap Arabia and Saudi Re. He was also a member of the Property, Casualty and Reinsurance Subcommittee of the Saudi insurance market under SAMA's supervision, and he holds an FCII and other insurance, reinsurance, and management qualifications. Welcome, Mr. Mohammed Al Marhoon. So again, I would like to welcome all our reputable speakers. Thank you again for dedicating your time